What about specialty fabrics? Have you ever found yourself with a pesky grease stain on your favorite polyester outfit? Discover a super easy and cheap way to get rid of those stains using common household ingredients. Let's get started. You'll need some table salt, paper towels, and your regular laundry detergent. Simple, right? First, lay your garment flat and generously sprinkle table salt over the grease stain. Salt is a fantastic natural absorbent, and it's going to do most of the heavy lifting here. Gently rub the salt into the grease stain with your fingertips. This helps the salt really get into the fibers and start absorbing that grease. Let the salt sit on the stain for about an hour. This gives it enough time to absorb as much grease as possible. Shake off the salt. You'll notice it has absorbed some of that grease. Lay the clothing face down on a clean paper towel or two. Apply a dab of laundry detergent to the back of the stain. Gently blot it with another paper towel. Keep blotting until you don't see any more grease coming off. After you're done blotting, rinse the garment under cold water. Wash the garment in your machine on the hottest setting safe for the fabric. And there you have it. Your clothing should be as good as new. If you found our grease fighting video enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips like these. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.